Hello, welcome to Drivenmad. Now, you will have seen that I have bought myself a Mercedes B-Class 200 Turbo. So it's a petrol 2 litre and it's a 2008, bought it in Portugal. If I'm honest, I bought it as a sort of slightly tide me over car because I'm having a lot of trouble with my Mitsubishi. So it's blown its engine, so I'm going to be driving this for quite a while. The reason we're doing this is that Nathan and I picked it up and it's definitely got a whiff of old man about it, hasn't it? And I'm assuming that's what people don't like about the B-Class, but we did 625 kilometres home in it, and the longer we were in it, the more we felt extremely comfortable, no backache, no numb bum, and the features that it's got for a car of its age they fascinated me because, I mean, in the UK you can pick these up for nothing, and we bought this. It's done 113,000 kilometres, full Mercedes history. It's immaculate. So let me walk you around it, show you what I think is good about it. What a car looks like is all down to personal taste. I think the front looks great. Thinks it looks a bit old manny at the back, but I'm an old man, so I obviously like it. But let's get inside and let's have a look. I'll walk you around the back to start with. The bit Nath likes clearly is the word turbo, but I think if you were looking for a cheap family car, this one, it's got a lot going for it. I've taken the parcel shelf out. We've got a dog, so this is going to get protected. It's immaculately clean. Obviously Xavi the dog, as you've seen in one of our other videos, is going in, so I'm going to make sure this is protected before he gets his hairy little bum inside it. Now, it's got an adjustable floor. Again, we've got a T-cross. You have to pull it out, you push it down. This one, as you can see, it's all edged inside. It's got first aid cover in there, ski hatch through if you are a skiing type person, floor back up because I quite like it level so Jav can jump out. Seats fold completely flat, so if you've got a fridge or something to put in, easy done. Moving to the side. So inside, got your armrest. One of the features that again doesn't really, it's a bit late for me, Nate's a bit old for this, but it's got a little switch here. He said if he can put his fingers into it, and you've got the Volvo-esque baby seat. Never owned a car with that before, so not a lot of use for me. But again, if you're a young family and looking for a car that is spec'd for you, maybe that's of interest. Isofix in there. Let's move to the front. So inside, for me, driving position is excellent. I've not had many cars where armrest fits. Very, very nice fabric on the side. It's built so well. Everything you feel and touch is so strong. One of the other things for me, even though we live in Portugal, heated seats, and as you can see here, I've got a sort of little flight deck of seat controls here, so that I've got 2-stage lumbar, and the top one even brings these side bolsters in. Driving seat only, automatic. This car's just knocking on 200 horsepower, so 0 to 60 is in the 7-second category. It absolutely flies for a car that doesn't look like it will. This is obviously the petrol turbo version, but for a car, everything is solid, everything is still working, everything is strong. It doesn't look like it's going to fall to bits, but we're extremely impressed with it, and the seats are just incredibly comfortable. So we thought we'd show you around it. And lastly, if I show you the world's most complicated sunroof. So it flicks up here, and as you can see, I don't know why, but I just think that's super cool. And I'm a very, very happy bunny. It drives beautifully. So if you're in the market for a small car, I think this is something that you should consider. But we'll let you know maybe if anyone's interested. We aren't particularly going to feature it on our channel because this is just a daily driver for us to get up and down from where we live up to our lovely man cave here. But if anyone wants to know anything about it, I can tell you anything about it, then drop us a comment, and other than that, we might keep you up to date on it. But I say it's not possibly the world's most exciting car, but it's more than the sum of its parts. So hopefully that's just a quick intrigue into the car, and if you've got anything that you want to know, just let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching. we're going to have to probably fit this in, place in, because I forgot to mention, Blooming parks itself as well. So it's a self-parking car. So again, as I would say, perfect for the family. I quite like the self-parking. I can park, but if I can just press a button and it does it itself, happy days, and it's brilliant.